Hello guys and welcome. My name is Baljeet and you are watching English Class YouTube channel where you learn English through Hindi. Today in this lesson we're going to learn about few sentences which normally we use about or in the morning. So let's get started. Alright, then the first sentence is मैं सुबह जल्दी उठता हूँ. I get up early in the morning. I get up early in the morning. मैं सुबह जल्दी उठने वाला व्यक्ति नहीं हूँ. I'm not a morning person. I'm not a morning person. अगर यही आपको बोलना है कि मैं सुबह जल्दी उठने वाला व्यक्ति हूँ, तब आप कहेंगे I am a morning person. I am a morning person. यह काम मैं सुबह करूँगा. I will do this work in the morning. I will do this work in the morning. आप वर्क लगाएं या ना लगाएं इससे ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. आप बोल सकते हैं I will do this in the morning. हम सुबह बात करेंगे. We'll talk in the morning. We will talk in the morning. मैं कल सुबह चला जाऊंगा. I will leave tomorrow morning. I will leave tomorrow morning. कल सुबह तक इंतजार कर लीजिए. Please wait till tomorrow morning. Please wait till tomorrow morning. मैं सुबह तुमसे नहीं मिल सकती. I can't meet you in the morning. Can't meet you in the morning. मैं रोज सुबह बहुत व्यस्त रहती हूँ. I'm always very busy in the morning. मैं रोज सुबह घर का काम करती हूँ. I always do house chores in the morning. House chores घर के कामों को कहा जाता है जो हम रोज करते हैं. कल सुबह तुम्हें क्या करना है? What you have to do tomorrow morning? What you have to do tomorrow morning? कल सुबह करने के लिए मेरे पास बहुत काम है. I have a lot of work to do tomorrow morning. वो रोज सुबह मुझे मैसेज करती है. She texts me daily in the morning. Text me होता है मैसेज करना. किसी को मैसेज करने को टेक्स्ट करना बोलते हैं. मैं सुबह 5 बजे उठता हूँ. I get up at 5 in the morning. I get up at 5 in the morning. मुझे कल 4 बजे जगा देना. Wake me at 4 tomorrow morning. Wake me at 4 tomorrow morning. आज सुबह क्या हुआ? What happened this morning? What happened this morning? आज सुबह से बरसात हो रही है. It's been raining since morning. It's been raining since morning. क्या आपने सुबह अपना नाश्ता किया? Did you have your breakfast in the morning? मेरा भाई सुबह अखबार पढ़ता है. My brother read the newspaper in the morning. मैं हमेशा सुबह नहाता हूँ. I always take shower in the morning. I always take shower in the morning. तुम सुबह कितने बजे उठते हो? What time do you get up in the morning? What time do you get up in the morning? Now this is a homework for you. You have to comment me in the comment box below that at what time do you get up in the morning. Alright? That's all for today. Subscribe for more videos. If you like the videos, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any kind of queries, you can just ask me in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching it.